We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If the television still won't turn on, turn your TV off at the wall and unplug it from the plug socket. Wait 30 seconds, and then plug it back in and switch it on. This is called a soft reset, and should recalibrate the TV.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.